Hi, today let's discuss another archetype, and it's the archetype of the everyman. It's a relatable and ordinary character who represents the common human experiences, often serving as a surrogate for the audience. So usually we see ourselves in the character of the everyman. I want you to remember that archetypes are also plot devices. That means writers use them to move along the plot. So these are the characters that the writers use so that we will know important things in the story. So, for example, Bilbo Baggins in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit serves as the POV of a normal human being who wants simplicity in life, who really doesn't like the power struggles. Actually, apart from Frodo, he is the other person who can touch the ring without being corrupted. So that means that he is pure only because he prefers a simple life. So he's an everyman. Another common examples of the archetypes of everyman would be the Ajusis and Ajumas that we watch in our favorite K-dramas. I know you have lots of those, and they are there.